RevShield is an amazing new foldable table that's lightweight, eco-friendly, and super strong. It weighs just 9 kilograms, which is about two-thirds lighter than regular tables made from MDF or particle board. Despite being so light, it can stop powerful 44 Magnum bullets, giving you serious protection when you need it most. What makes RevShield really cool is that when you unfold it, the table turns into a shield, giving you a quick way to stay safe. It also has a hidden compartment called Amulet Access, where you can keep important emergency items like a first aid kit, flashlight, and other supplies ready to use. This clever design has impressed top security experts who call it a revolutionary product. It's not just a table, it's a smart safety tool that fits right into your home or office. The patented design means it's one of a kind and built to last. Rocket Lab's Mars sample return. Rocket Lab is planning an exciting mission to bring back samples from Mars, but with a smarter, faster way. While big space agencies like NASA and ESA have complex and costly plans involving many spacecraft, Rocket Lab wants to do it all in one simple mission. Using their reliable Electron rocket and Photon spacecraft, they will send a small lander to Mars to collect rocks and soil, then bring them back to Earth. This approach saves a lot of time, money, and complexity. It shows that deep space exploration is no longer just for giant government programs. It can be done by private companies too. If Rocket Lab succeeds, it will be the first private company to bring material from another planet back to Earth, making history in space travel. This mission could open the door for many more commercial space adventures in the future, helping us learn more about Mars and our solar system. SabCI is a top company making electric underwater robots that are changing how we explore and work beneath the sea. One of their robots is amazing because it uses 40% less energy than others, so it can stay underwater longer and do more without needing a recharge. Another popular model, called Leopard, has really smart controls that make it easy to operate. It comes with a simple icon-based interface and an advanced autopilot that helps control where the robot goes, how deep it dives, and keeps it steady even in tricky conditions. This makes it much easier for operators to focus on important tasks without worrying about the robot drifting or losing balance. Plus, the control room can be customized with special foot pedals and extra modules to handle things like video recording or controlling tools attached to the robot. SDS Indoor Gunshot Detection. The SDS Indoor Gunshot Detection System is one of the smartest safety tools available today. It's the only system designed for indoor use that includes active shooter intelligence, making it faster and more reliable than others. Using a mix of acoustic and infrared sensors along with machine learning, it can detect gunfire with 99% accuracy. And it does this in just half a second after a shot is fired. Once it detects gunfire, it can automatically help alert law enforcement, speeding up emergency response and potentially saving lives. One of the best parts is how flexible it is. Whether it's a small office, a school, a train station, or even a large public space, SDS can be used anywhere. The sensors don't need complicated setup or calibration, and they work independently, which means the system is easy to maintain. Starlink Internet, fast internet anywhere on Earth. Starlink is a game-changing internet service created by Elon Musk's company, SpaceX. Instead of using underground cables, Starlink connects people through thousands of small satellites orbiting just 340 miles above Earth. These low-orbit satellites work together to beam fast internet signals directly to homes, businesses, and even moving vehicles, anywhere on the planet. The goal is to bring high-speed internet to places where regular service is slow, unreliable, or unavailable, like remote villages, mountains, deserts, and even oceans. Right now, there are over 4,300 Starlink satellites in orbit, and SpaceX plans to launch up to 42,000 in the future. That's a massive step toward building a global network in the sky. These satellites communicate with each other and with ground stations to deliver smooth, high-quality internet, even in areas where cables can't reach. Telescope on the Moon. NASA is planning something truly amazing on the far side of the moon, a giant telescope built inside a natural lunar crater. This project, called the Lunar Crater Radio Telescope, will use special robots to spread out a huge wire mesh that's almost 1 kilometer wide. But why build it on the moon? Because the far side of the moon is totally silent, completely blocked from Earth's radio signals. That makes it the perfect place to pick up signals from deep space that we've never been able to hear before. Scientists hope this telescope will help us listen to radio waves from the early universe, even from a time before the first stars were born. It's all part of NASA's Artemis mission, which is focused on exploring the moon in new ways. This telescope could help answer big questions about how the universe began. And the best part? It's all happening in one of the quietest spots in the solar system. Tevel Aerobotics is revolutionizing farming with its smart harvesting drones. These drones work in groups of 6 to 8 and connect to a mobile base that charges them and collects the fruit they pick. They are designed to harvest fruits like apples, pears, and peaches quickly and efficiently. But these drones don't just grab fruit, they carefully check each piece for size, ripeness, and any signs of disease. This information helps the drones sort the fruit right away and gives farmers important data about their crop's health. It's like having a team of expert pickers and inspectors working together nonstop. For farmers who might be unsure about using new technology, Tevel offers rental options to try out the drones first. Plus, investing in this technology can pay off fast, sometimes in as little as 3 weeks, because the drones help harvest more fruit with less waste and effort. With Tevel's drones, farming is becoming smarter and more efficient. The Speeder, the flying bike of your dreams. The Speeder, created by Jetpack Aviation, is a flying motorcycle that turns sci-fi into reality. Originally built for military and emergency rescue missions, it's now being developed as a personal aircraft for thrill seekers and everyday adventurers. What makes the Speeder stand out is its ability to take off and land vertically, just like a helicopter, without needing a runway. It fits in the same space as a small car and can fly from almost anywhere. Weighing less than a 125cc motorbike, the Speeder is compact, fully stabilized, and easy to control. You only need minimal training to start flying it, making it simpler to use than most small aircraft. With a top speed of up to 240 km per hour, it offers a fast and exciting way to travel above the traffic. The Variolift airship concept, the future of heavy cargo transport. Variolift is an innovative airship designed to carry heavy cargo while using far less fuel than traditional airplanes. Instead of relying on runways or powerful engines, this giant airship lifts off vertically using helium gas, just like a balloon. It has a smart system that adjusts its weight by expanding or compressing the helium, allowing it to safely land or take off almost anywhere. Built with a strong aluminum frame, Variolift can transport large items like wind turbine blades, industrial equipment, or even small buildings over long distances. It can fly up to 250 kilometers per hour and carry between 50 to 250 tons, depending on the model. Because it uses little fuel and may run partly on solar power, it's eco-friendly and cost-efficient. No airports are needed, just flat land. This makes it perfect for reaching remote areas where roads or runways don't exist. Thermite Firefighting Robot. The Thermite Firefighting Robot is a tough and smart machine built to handle fires in the most dangerous places where humans can't safely go. It can drive straight into thick smoke and blazing flames, spraying up to 9,460 liters of water per minute to put out fires quickly. Operators can control it from up to 500 meters away using live video feeds, keeping firefighters safe. Tiny hopping robots. Tiny hopping robots are opening up exciting new possibilities for exploring places that are hard to reach. These small, super light machines don't use wheels or legs. Instead, they move by hopping. This clever design lets them bounce over rough ground, rocks, cracks, and even climb over obstacles that would stop regular robots. Inspired by how insects and small animals move, these robots are built for tough environments like disaster zones, underground tunnels, or even faraway places like the moon or Mars. Some are no bigger than a coin, but they're packed with smart tech like cameras, sensors, and tiny solar panels that help them power up on their own. Because they're simple and affordable, many of them can be used at once. They work in swarms to explore large areas, collect important data, and go where people or big machines simply can't. Whether it's helping rescue teams after an earthquake or studying the surface of another planet, these little robots can handle big challenges. Their jumping ability, small size, and smart design make them perfect for exploring the unknown. Tiny hopping robots may be small, but they're ready to take giant leaps for science and discovery. TokuFastBot is an amazing robot created by Mitsubishi Electric that can solve a Rubik's Cube super fast in just 0.305 seconds. That's faster than you can even blink. It can twist one side of the cube 90 degrees in only 0.09 seconds, which earned it a Guinness World Record. But the race to be the fastest robot isn't over yet. Another robot, built by a Yandex engineer named Alexander Krotov, solved the cube even quicker in just 0.203 seconds. These speeds are way beyond what any human can do. The fastest human ever solved a Rubik's Cube in 3.13 seconds. XBot Coffee Robot. The XBot Coffee Robot is a smart and stylish coffee-making machine that brings next-level convenience to your daily brew. Made in Switzerland, this high-tech robot uses artificial intelligence and two robotic arms to make perfect coffee every time. What makes it really special is its ability to create amazing latte art, just like a professional barista. From hearts to beautiful patterns, you can even customize your coffee designs. XBot runs 24/7 and uses top-quality Arabica beans from around the world, giving each cup a rich flavor and smooth aroma. It's also super space efficient, fitting into just 2 square meters, which makes it great for places like offices, hotels, libraries, or shopping malls. With its touchscreen menu and smart brewing system, ordering your coffee is quick, easy, and fun. Whether you're grabbing a cup on the go or treating yourself to something special, the XBot makes it feel like a luxury experience every time. It's not just a machine, it's a blend of technology, art, and great taste all in one. The XBot Coffee Robot is changing how we enjoy coffee, one beautifully crafted cup at a time. X Turismo Flying Bike, a real-life hoverbike adventure. The X Turismo flying bike is like something out of a sci-fi movie. Built by ALI Technologies, later Airwinds, this incredible machine combines the feel of a motorcycle with the power of a drone. It uses two large rotors underneath and four smaller ones to hover up to 2 meters above the ground, reaching speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour. It can fly for about 40 minutes and is powered by a hybrid gas-electric engine. Zoomlion Remote-Controlled Tower Crane. Zoomlion's remote-controlled tower crane is bringing smart technology to construction sites in an exciting way. Built into their R-Series cranes, this system lets operators control massive cranes from a distance using advanced AI and live video monitoring. That means no more sitting in small, stuffy cabins way up in the air. Operators can now stay comfortable and safe while still doing their job with high precision. The crane's movement is tracked in 3D, allowing for smooth and accurate handling of heavy materials. What really makes this system stand out are its safety features. It includes anti-hook slipping, collision avoidance, and overload protection, all designed to prevent accidents and protect workers on the ground. This system has already proven itself useful at many busy construction sites, making crane operations faster, smarter, and safer. It also helps improve working conditions by reducing stress and fatigue for crane operators. Zoomlion's innovation shows how technology and construction can work hand in hand to build better, safer, and more efficient work environments.